Tigers, Panthera tigris, are fascinating big cats native to Asia, particularly in regions like India, Southeast Asia, and parts of Siberia. While they are incredibly adaptable hunters, several reasons explain why tigers cannot thrive in Africa. 1. Evolutionary adaptation. Habitat and geography. Tigers evolved in the diverse habitats of Asia, such as forests, wetlands, and grasslands. Africa's unique ecosystems, such as savannas and deserts, present different challenges that tigers are not adapted to. Thermal regulation. Tigers have evolved to tolerate the climate conditions found in their native ranges, including cold climates for Siberian tigers. The extreme heat of many African regions could be debilitating for them. 2. Competition with other predators. Presence of other big cats. Africa is home to several large feline species, including lions, leopards, and cheetahs. These species are well adapted to the African environment and dominate the ecological niches that tigers would occupy. Territorial dynamics. Tigers are solitary hunters that require vast territories. In a landscape where lions are highly social and hunt in groups, competition for territory and food resources would be intense, making survival quite challenging for tigers. 3. Prey availability. Specific diet. Tigers have particular dietary needs and prefer certain types of prey, such as deer and wild boar. The prey species present in Africa differ significantly, and while some could overlap, tigers might struggle to find suitable and sustainable food sources. Mammal diversity. African megafauna includes herbivores and other mammals that are larger and more aggressive than typical tiger prey, complicating their hunting strategy. 4. Human factors. Conservation and habitat loss. Africa has its own challenges with habitat destruction, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Introducing tigers to these environments could exacerbate these issues and negatively impact both tigers and existing wildlife. Cultural and historical context. Tigers do not hold the same symbolic or cultural significance in Africa as they do in Asia, which could influence conservation efforts and the legal frameworks surrounding the introduction of non-native species. 5. Behavioral and biological traits. Social structure. Tigers are primarily solitary animals, whereas many African felids, particularly lions, exhibit social behavior, forming prides. This difference in social structure affects hunting strategies and territory management. Adaptation to diverse environments. Tigers rely on dense cover for stalking and hunting, favoring environments they are adapted to. African landscapes provide less suitable cover in many areas. Conclusion. Tigers have been finely tuned through millions of years to survive in Asia's climates and ecosystems. The unique elements of Africa's environment, including competition, prey availability, and ecological dynamics, create challenges that would hinder a tiger's survival. Conservation efforts are better focused on preserving and protecting their native habitats to ensure the survival of these majestic creatures.